Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel, where we take you on an exciting journey to explore the world of modern food production, where technology and human labor combine to create the giant products we eat every day. Today, let's dive into one of the most important food industries in the world, the pork industry. From large farms where hundreds of tons of pigs are raised each year, to industrial processing plants with advanced automation, everything will appear realistically in every frame of this video. And you will be surprised to witness the journey of turning a small piglet into hundreds of kilograms of premium meat in just a few months, an incredible, complex process that is completely optimized to serve global consumption needs. It all starts with the breeding stage. On large farms, pigs are not naturally bred like on small farms, but are bred according to a strict genetic management system. Super lean sows, capable of giving birth to multiple litters of 10 to 14 piglets each. Are carefully selected and their health history and genetic resources are recorded in detail. Male pigs are also selected from the healthiest ones, with high breeding ability and superior muscle development. One breeding pig can serve thousands of sows through artificial insemination technology, an important step forward that helps the livestock industry save time, improve efficiency and limit the risk of disease. When the piglets are born, they are moved to separate pens with automatic heating, lighting and ventilation systems. In the first few days, each pig will be vaccinated, have its teeth trimmed, marked for monitoring, and its health status will be observed 24/7 via a camera system. Feed during this stage is breast milk, followed by nutritious formula milk, which helps pigs grow quickly, gain weight evenly and not be stunted. Within 30 days, piglets reach a weight of 6 to 8 kilograms and are ready to enter the next stage, the fattening stage. At industrial farms, the barn system is divided into many areas, each containing hundreds of pigs, classified by weight and age. Each barn is equipped with an automatic feeder, sensors to measure the amount of feed consumed and the daily growth weight of each pig. The entire farming process is controlled by software, from mixing feed to vaccination time. Cleaning the barn and harvesting. Pigs in this stage mainly eat industrial feed, crushed corn, soybean meal, agricultural byproducts, combined with minerals, vitamins and even digestive enzymes to optimize absorption capacity. Each day, a pig can eat up to 2.5 to 3 kilograms of feed, corresponding to a weight gain of 800 grams to 1 kilogram per day. Thanks to a strict control process and adequate nutrition, after only 5 to 6 months, each pig can reach a weight of 100 to 130 kilograms. Some super lean lines can reach up to 160 kilograms. And now, hundreds of tons of pigs are ready for the next stage, to be transported to the processing plant. But before that, veterinarians will conduct quarantine to ensure that the entire herd is healthy and does not carry dangerous pathogens. Especially diseases that can spread quickly such as African swine fever, foot and mouth disease or H1N1 flu. The process of transporting pigs to the factory is not simple. Special trucks with hydraulic floors and ventilation systems are coordinated to transport pigs smoothly, minimizing stress for the animals. because even slight stress can affect the quality of the meat later. At the factory gate, each truck carrying pigs will pass through a disinfection area. The vehicle is completely sprayed with disinfectant. The driver is not allowed to leave the cabin. Pigs are brought into the slaughter waiting area in batches, ensuring a rest period of at least 6 to 8 hours to stabilize their psychology and metabolize glycogen in the muscles, an important factor affecting the color and tenderness of the meat after slaughter. Entering the slaughter line, all stages are carried out in a closed and extremely fast manner. Pigs will be anesthetized with electricity or CO to ensure no pain. Then put into the automatic line to be hung upside down and bled. Blood is collected separately, not mixed with wastewater. Next is the stage of burning the skin with gas fire, shaving off the hair with a camera, then cutting the belly and removing the organs. All internal organs such as liver, heart, intestines, lungs, kidneys, are classified. Inspected and put into a separate processing line. The pig body after slaughter will be washed with cold water, checked for quality one last time and then transferred to the cutting area. In the meat cutting area, pigs weighing hundreds of kilograms will be sent through the conveyor system. Well-trained workers will proceed to separate each part: belly, ribs, lean shoulder, rump, thigh, depending on market demand. The meat will be packaged according to standard weight, vacuum sealed and immediately transferred to cold storage at -18 degrees Celsius to maintain freshness. Fat, bones, and skin will be utilized to produce sausages, cold cuts, or cooked to make gelatin. No part of the pig is wasted. Even the bones are crushed into animal feed, and pig blood is used to make organic fertilizer or biological products. Inside the factory, robots are gradually replacing humans in many dangerous or highly precise steps. From laser bone cutting robots, packaging robots, meat transport robots to cold storage, all operate continuously 24/7 under the supervision of a central server system. Each meat tray is attached with a QR code containing full information: slaughter date, pig origin, farming area, packaging time, expiration date. Customers only need to use their phones to scan the code to know where the meat in their hands comes from. Ensuring 100% traceability. After leaving the factory, the pork will be transported by refrigerated trucks to supermarkets. Stores are exported abroad. Some high-end meat lines from Iberico black pigs or super lean pigs are sold for up to tens of dollars per kilogram, especially in demanding markets such as Japan, Korea, the United States and the EU. Meanwhile, popular pork serving the domestic market always accounts for more than 60% of output. With reasonable prices and abundant supply, in a working day, a factory can slaughter and process more than 2.00 pigs, equivalent to hundreds of tons of meat. Every week, the farming and processing system can supply the market with thousands of tons of pork, meeting the needs of millions of meals every day. But behind those huge numbers are countless efforts, investments in technology, people, and the will for sustainable development.